Hello, welcome. This is Blockchain Bloom, the blockchain educator. I'm at Lipink, and in today's video, I'm going to talk about that the SEC sues crypto exchange Binance and its CEO CZ, and we can see the quite big drop in the market. The second thing I would like to talk about, which is related to this one, that actually now 61 cryptocurrencies are seen as securities by the SEC, and this is getting bigger and bigger, this number. And then we have more than $700 million withdrawals in crypto just in the last 24 hours. So guys, all this in today's video. Don't forget, every single day I'm making you a couple of fresh videos, short videos, longer videos to keep you up to date in crypto, in blockchain, and also sometimes economy related news. So if that's important for you, simply subscribe, subscribe the button all, and then you will get the notifications as soon as a new video is out. And also hit the like button if you like this kind of content, what I'm creating here on daily basis. Okay, and now let's start today's show. Okay, and when we're looking at the market, we can see everything in a beautiful red color. Bitcoin itself is down about 4%, which makes it $25,581 US. Ethereum is down about 3%, $1,809 US. When we're looking at the top gainers, well, Kava is the only one, which is up a bit more than 1%, so not a lot. And now be strong, because look at the losers. The Sandbox is going down 16% in the last 24 hours. SUES going down 14%. Decentraland about 15%, and so on and so forth. Look at these red numbers. They are quite significant right now. And when we're looking at here, the Bitcoin daily candlestick chart, okay, let's make it bigger. Well, we can see that actually we went all the way down today to 25,351 US dollar. That was the lowest point so far. But well, we did break this trend line, and it could easily happen that now we're going to use it as resistance, and then 25,200-ish kinda. This could be the next we go down, and we might continue. Depends how the FUD develops, what's going to happen. Because now let's talk about the topic. But before we move on, we can see that you can see that a lot of longs were liquidated. Here you can see them for 263 million US dollar longs. Obviously, because the price started to drop significantly. Anyway, now let's move on to the first topic. And the first topic is what caused this, that the SEC sues Binance and CZ. So, actually, it happened. It was in the air, because we do know that the SEC won't somehow go after Binance. And now it happened. So basically, SEC sues the cryptocurrency exchange, Binance, the biggest one, and its CEO, CZ. And, here in this article, you can read that Binance US CZ offered unregistered securities to general public in the form of BNB token, and Binance BUSD stablecoin, and this is also part of the lawsuit. So, which also alleges that Binance's staking service violated security laws. And actually, if we move on, then we can see that the SEC filed 13 charges against Binance and CZ. So we're going to see how this develops. CZ's reaction was that actually the media got it first. They haven't got anything by then when he posted. And well, now we're going to see how this story going to develop. Definitely, we can see a drop on the market. Definitely, we can say that Binance is the biggest centralized cryptocurrency exchange. So we can see Kraken is, this SEC is after Kraken, after Coinbase, now Binance. So it's obvious that they would like to kill these centralized cryptocurrency exchanges, at least what they can do in the United States. But this has an impact on the market, and we can see now cryptocurrency is going down. But another important thing, which this one also triggered, is that we're not just talking about Binance here. It's against the whole industry in the way that now altogether 61 cryptocurrencies, and with this new case, there's 10 more, and with that together, I mean 61, which are, in opinion of the SEC, are securities. So the list is just getting bigger and bigger, and this is another reason why the market is dropping, because now we have 61 cryptocurrencies which are now seen by the SEC as securities. And now with the recent case, against Binance, another 10 cryptocurrencies are introduced to this list. The securities classification. Binance coins, so BNB, BUSD, Solana, Cardano, Polygon, Cosmos, the Sandbox, Decentraland, Axie Infinity, and COTI or COTI, who knows? I'm not sure how to pronounce this one. So we can see that this list is getting bigger and bigger. But this time, we're talking about pretty big guys. Solana, Cardano, Polygon. So really, big top cryptocurrencies. And which is important, the size of the 61 cryptocurrencies by market cap, because it is more than $100 billion US. And when we're looking at the full market cap of the all cryptos, then this is just a bit more than $1 trillion US. So these 61 altogether are about the 10% of the full crypto market. And this is, here you can see the list. It's ongoing, it's getting bigger and bigger. And now the question is, what's happening to these cryptocurrencies? Because you do know what happened to the XRP. After the XRP lawsuit, the XRP couldn't really participate in the last bull market because it couldn't really go up. It held it back, and the case is still ongoing. So now we have these projects. So what will happen to these projects now? How they can actually develop if, there is the SEC going after them. It's very important to note nothing happened yet. This is what just the SEC is saying. It's not finalized or nothing like this, okay? So, but anyway, the threat is there. And 61, the list is getting bigger and bigger. And now they added really, really big projects. It's big market cap. And that's why it's now over $100 billion US. Okay, and now the third topic, it's all about that also what's happening right now in the last 24 hours. More than $700 million US worth of crypto has been withdrawn. So when it's a panic on the market and it's related to a centralized exchange, people start to withdraw their cryptos. And we can see now that more than $700 million worth of crypto has been withdrawn in the last 24 hours. Mainly from Binance, obviously, but there are other exchanges. We can see there were withdrawals. Here you can see OKX, Bybit, and so on and so forth. But the majority came from Binance. Binance stablecoin balance actually remains healthy. The exchange currently has stablecoin balance just over $8 billion US with 7 days outflow of 519 million, which is just 6% of it. So actually things looking healthy. It's not major panic or something like that. However, we can see that, and also that these metaverse tokens were hit also hard. Sand and Mana also going down now because the thing what I have mentioned. By the way, talking about this metaverse kind of thing, yesterday we had, the Apple's new, headset came out. during this Worldwide Developer Conference. And, it's coming really to the market next year, 2024. It's quite pricey, 3,500 US dollar. And what was interesting during it, that they really haven't mentioned, this is not a picture of it. They haven't really mentioned metaverse, so they don't using these kind of words. They're describing it, in a different way. Here in this post, they're actually saying that metaverse will stop being a bad word, even though Apple didn't use the word, because that's why we could think beforehand that if this is coming out, this headset, then it can boost a little bit this metaverse coins, and therefore you could see Sandbox Decentraland going up. But now, not just they didn't mention the metaverse, but actually these coins are hit by the SEC, as now they're saying these are securities. Okay, so obviously you can see those are now going down for the present. Guys, that's it for today. Don't forget, every day I'm making you a couple of fresh videos to keep you up to date, short videos, longer videos. So if that's important for you, to stay up to date in crypto and blockchain, then simply just subscribe to this YouTube channel. And if you like this kind of content, then just hit the like button. Highly appreciate it. See you in the next video. Have a good one. Bye-bye.